Chad, good morning, good morning. How's everyone doing? Apologies, sorry man, we were just busy on the side and time ran away from us. So Chad, it is Friday. Hope you guys are doing well. End of the month, believe it or not, May has come and gone. And Keegs is just is fighting for his life on the toilet real quick. So if we can just pray for Keegan. No, I'm kidding. But he is on the toilet and he will join us shortly. But Chad, it is Friday. Let's end off this week strong. Let's end off this week how we wanted to start it. And let's see where we are today. So Project G, beautiful guys, yeah, and then all the Project G guys will be added through the course of this morning. Kindly note the process is somewhat manual. We're just waiting for the PSPs for the integration of that into the website, into the backend, and then once that is sorted, everything will, I don't foresee us doing this method from next month. So from next month, it will be a complete automated process. We're only onboarding 3 PSPs at this stage, and that's PayFast, Ozao, and Paystack for the cards. So we've got Visa, and then we'll just look at a crypto provider. Only thing is the crypto PSPs are very expensive when it comes to gas fees, so it's almost not even worth it to use them. So we'll see. I don't think we'll do a crypto payment method. And yeah, you guys will be added shortly this morning. But guys, let's get straight into it. Let's quickly look at the economic calendar. Let's look at what we've got on deck. Then we're going to pray, and then we are going to wait for the open and see if we can get into any trades here this morning. Also, I'll update you on the US 30 strat from yesterday. Took 2 trades, 2 break evens. Both of them were 80% to take profit. It happens, guys. It happens, unfortunately, but yeah, still too early to call it on that strat. Still a little bit early, but we'll get there.
So someone has to fix this.
Yeah, we'll do that.
So, okay, what do you want me to do for now? Keep it as is.
What's that?
The signature.
The Discord.
Yeah, like on the signature must have to
Yeah,
go
yeah.
this way.
No, put it that way.
Okay.
All right, Chad. Economic calendar. Let's quickly have. So for today, why do I have GMT plus 3? That's not right. Give me 1 second. Should be GMT plus 2. There you go. All right, guys, we've got quite a bit going on here this morning. We've got some IPI coming out of Germany, or already came out of Germany, 8 o'clock. That was 40 minutes ago. Relatively muted. Retail sales year on year. Didn't even actually give a consensus, but looking better than what the previous one was. So that's an improvement. Retail sales. Housing prices for month on month in May in Britain jumping 0.4%. So that's quite a big jump from the previous. So even though it's lower tier data, could be positive. Then just looking at CHI, Core Harmonized Index of Consumers. Yeah, I don't know why they call it that, but basically inflation figures 11 o'clock for the Eurozone. So that's going to be interesting. Then also we've got a little bit later GDP coming out of Canada, and then the big one CPCE, core personal consumption expenditure. Also another inflation gauge 230 coming out of the US. I don't expect this to be such a major event, but there could be some very short-term volatility, maybe some quick moves in and out. But we'll see. And then also a little bit later, we've got CPMI Chicago Purchasing Managers Index. I've seen this thing to move quite a bit, move the markets quite a bit. So don't know why it's classified as mid-tier data, but anyways, so yeah, we've got something to work with today, Chad. It's not that we're not gonna have anything, but there could be something. So without further ado, as always, let's start off the day with our morning prayer. And our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. Amen. In Jesus' name, amen. Give me at least 2 amens, Chad. Donnie, thank you for that. Beautiful. Amen, amen. All right, Chad, let's get into the dollar index, and very interesting close yesterday. So we can see last week Friday rejecting this key level, yesterday rejecting that key level, and now all of a sudden this level becomes quite a big level for the dollar, and it seems like that weekly R1 is somewhat of a resistance. Are we going to start trading lower now to the weekly S1? Could be now, seeing that the dollar bumped its head against this weekly R1 twice now in a very short span of time. So I'm actually still bullish, Chad. I'm still bullish. Why am I saying I'm still bullish? If you look at the daily on a line chart, you can still see that we're taking out the most recent highs, and we haven't taken out this low. So I can only really get bearish on the dollar once we have taken out this low, and that's also close to the 200 daily EMA. So up until we get a daily candle closure closing like that, I cannot be bearish as of yet, but we can trade within this range, so keep that in mind. So still bullish on the day. Still we need more than just one bearish daily candle to get bearish. 5-minute time frame, what do we have? We've got a beautiful Asia range here. 80 is looking relatively flat, and I'm going to be very clear with you guys here this morning. I can only be bullish above Asia highs. If we cannot get above Asia highs, I'm going to lean towards the short side. And then on the 4-hour time frame, if we can get some type of break in the next hour, let's say the 4-hour closes like this, I think the dollar is cooked for the week, and we can see price going lower. US30, let's quickly look at US30 on the daily. US30 on the daily, somewhat still bearish, but starting to slow down a bit. Are we going to get some risk on Friday, not risk off? I don't know, but it's still bearish for me on the day. This bullish, bearish weekly outlook working perfectly. Beautiful bearish continuation to the downside. We still have some room to the downside for price to go. And then the 4-hour, let's see, yeah, still looking somewhat bearish, looking like it wants to bottom out here. And then the 5-minute, let's quickly check the 5 daily pivot here. 80 is still trading below the 200, so still looking relatively weak here. I'm just going to do a little bit of a wait and see, seeing that it's Friday. But I think in the short term, boys, I think you guys need to monitor this level. If you want to take something now this morning, this is the level to monitor. I would ideally look short, if I'm honest. Just looking at, okay, Asia, Nikkei up 1.14, Hang Seng up 0.3%. But let's see if we hold above here. If we continuously hold above this level, we could see a nice little push to this daily R1 level. So keep that in mind. Nasdaq daily time frame. What do we have on the daily? Beautiful, beautiful bearish momentum here. Yesterday we were bearish. Why were we bearish? Beautiful bearish engulfing and breaking through that key level there. No top wick. Here's the thing though, you could see us maybe trade all the way back here to later on trade lower again. So just create that top wick for the daily. Still bearish. 5-minute time frame. What do we have? The weekly S1 daily pivot. So I would actually love for price to trade all the way back here, Chad, and then sell off for the rest of the day into that zone there. Weekly S1 daily pivot 18592. That's your level that you need to monitor. Gold, let's quickly do gold here. Daily time frame. Now we're starting to do something very interesting here on gold. And why do I say that? Because we have now tapped into this zone multiple times. Look at this zone, just look left. This is quite a key zone there, there, there. So you can see multiple taps into the zone. Also yesterday holding above that 2340. That level's been key now almost this entire week. So keep that in mind. 2340 again being key here. I'm going to go with the neutral outlook here, Chad, because purely due to the fact that we could maybe start pushing to the upside if that dollar move starts pushing to the downside here. So keep an eye out on gold. 4-hour time frame. Let's see what what we're doing here. Very simple, Chad. If we can get a 4-hour break above here, I'm looking bullish for that weekly pivot. So easy. What is this? Almost $20 move. Otherwise, if we get a 4-hour break below this 200, something like this, then I think gold is in trouble and we can go all the way to 2300. So keep that in mind. It is setting up for a breakout here, Chad. This consolidation is setting up for a move. So keep that in mind. 5-minute time frame. What do we have? 80 is still pushing up, but now trading below the 200. So I'm going to be looking at Asia highs. If we start rejecting Asia highs, I'm looking short. But if we pull back first and we hold this zone here, daily pivot, key level 2340 again, I'm going to look for buys. Yesterday I looked for the buys above here, didn't get it. It actually gave you another opportunity. Okay, no, that's not an opportunity. But anyways, 2340 Asia highs, this zone in here, no trade range. So you want to be buying or shorting there, or you want to be looking to buy or short here as well. So if it holds here, I'm looking long, but if it breaks through, I'm looking short. So Keeks, over to you, brother, before I run away here.
Chad, let's run it. Actually, been quite interesting. Big thing we want to talk about actually quickly before I go into DXY was, don't know if you guys saw, but for the first time in history, Donald Trump being found guilty.
Oh, damn, yeah, I forgot, bro.
Donald Trump being found guilty and will be convicted on the 11th of July. He says he's still going to be running for president from jail, but that is quite a big thing for the dollar, guys. Fundamentally, that is a big thing for the dollar.
Is it not June? Is it June or July?
July.
Yeah.
So he has been found guilty across the board.
Yeah, 34 charges.
Yeah.
But he is going to appeal, though.
He's going to. Yeah, but hey, so just a heads up, guys. Fundamentally, that is a big thing for the dollar. So going over to this now, we are bearish. I said to you guys yesterday, basically, we spoke about this. I said the whole week we were bearish. We had a bit of a pullback, no reason for it, obviously, other than the news-induced candle. Then traded bearish after we did that, held the daily key level, retested, came back up. As I said to you, we still hadn't retested this breakaway point. We came up, we did that, and now pulling back again. So today, I'm still going to be bearish, guys, especially now we've got a bit more reasons as well to be going bearish. I'm going to be taking more than out the bearish outlook. Obviously, where I'm going to say the neutral position comes from on the weekly is still because obviously it is a Friday, end of the week has been moved. And at the same time, it is month end today, guys. So there's a lot that can happen on month end. So what we are going to be looking for here today, as you will see here, we had Asia low set, trade all the way up to Asia highs, just missing the EQ, but we've been holding the daily pivot area. So if we start breaking below here, not only now we'll have the break, all of our EAs are congested, crossing over, shows us we will have a nice big push away from there. So I'd look to see that push and see a drive from there, go get those Asia lows which are untested, and also going into, as I say, month end end of the week, if we can be trade underneath this pivot, there is still a good chance for us to go take the lows of the week and go for that key level of 104.165. So I'm going to be having a bearish look on DXY. But this is where it's going to get interesting. As much as I want to be bullish, we actually still are bearish on the indices. So I said this to you guys yesterday. We battled to find a trade, especially after the news, because the news actually coming out bearish for the dollar. And dollar did go bearish, but at the same time, indices moving bearish with it. Gold was the only one that was going bullish yesterday. So obviously, NAS going bearish. We have closed over here, taking out the lows. So now today, I've officially flipped bearish. Again, only for kind of short term, if you want to call it that. Weekly, we're still in the neutrals perspective. But we have this breakaway zone. So the fact we have taken out that little higher low, now I want to see us basically trade down and get that breakout area. So that's what I want to watch out for. On the 4 hour, we can see this. What I personally would like to see is the fact we have Asia highs there, but kind of looking a little bit even. So if anything, maybe fake, I'll take that high of the day. Once we can turn bearish again, see that pump of volume to the downside. So on the lower time frames, what it's going to be looking like, if you see, we do have the daily pivot EQ up here. So this is why the neutral, end of week, all those things you got to be careful for. Because you trade in basically bullish. So what you're going to see here is you can have that break to the top side, it can hold, and definitely trade up to go test the breakaway zone from yesterday. This breakaway, daily pivot, EQ, all up there. So a nice target if we do turn bullish. But if we continue to hold Asia highs after a little fake out of the high of the day, we can aim for these Asia lows, untested the break there, and the downward move, as we said, to this 4 hour support. So that's what I want to watch out for, but definitely more bearish. US 30 guys on the day, same thing. You can see just absolute bearish momentum. Yesterday we did see a bit of a halt in it, so we just want to see what happens there. But on the 4 hour, we can see us starting to fight back now. Obviously, all this bearish momentum, we can see this energy, this kind of change here coming. So what we want to look for is we did have our tests. Same thing I said to you guys yesterday with these US 30. The way we were looking for the buys, a little bit impatient, but they were kind of playing out for your one-to-ones later on. But now pulling back here, guys, same thing we want to be talking about is you still got this level over here. So if you want to see, let's even look here on the 30 minute. 30 minutes, I'd be saying, this zone over here. So that's kind of what you're going to be looking at over there. If any, you can get trades above here holding. I'd love to see a retest purely first of Asia highs to see if this zone holds. Reason being, same thing. We can see our lows getting higher and higher each time. We've got this area where it's been tested and tested multiple times. So if we can break above this and this holds, probably see the big push to the top side, taking out just. So US 30, funny enough, I might be saying I'm actually a bit more neutral on the day. But at the same time, if we do reject and can't hold support, most likely we can go down for this Asia lows and have a more continuous bearish move. But funny enough, I am actually looking, the buys actually starting to look very good for me on US 30. Then gold. Gold, guys, also, as I said, this one I am bullish on. So from our outlook, where Chris was talking about, we have an area of interest on the 4 hours. You can see how we've tested it, held, test, and a retest. So this is the one there that basically confirmed the bullish move. You've held, turned bullish, big push away from the market, and now had your pullback. That would be your retest, and turn bullish again. So what we're going to see here on the 4 hour is now you've made this nice level of resistance, clean breaks. You're definitely holding this level now as support. So you can see we've moved to a new range, holding that nice and comfortably, and the resistance getting weaker and weaker. So what I would look for is the breaks above here. Take that, and then once we can see a close above here, that would be that buy continuation, and the big move back to the top side can start. So on the 15, guys, what we're going to be looking for over here, Asia lows have only been set once, but again, that your EQ there, so that's already a nice one. Daily pivot in the middle of the range, so that's been holding as well. You got this lower area over here and this higher area. So anything above here, personally, if we can get above Asia highs, hold this as support, I'll already start looking to go long on gold. And that is everything for me.
Was that you, my brother?
That's me, brother.
Alrighty. All right, guys, we have, 3 minutes left. Let's quickly punch through the rest of the GU on the day. I'm neutral because we are still within this range. We're at the weekly pivot. We're at this round number. We're at the weekly S1. So we tapped the weekly R1. We tapped the weekly S1. And now we are at the pivot. So this thing has not done anything. extremely bad week to be a swing trader, because swing traders, unless you were short, got absolutely clapped. So anyways, what am I looking for? I'm not looking for anything. I'm just looking for confirmations. And what I can see though is that on the 80 we are firmly bearish, and we're already at the Asia low. So if we are going to continue lower, I want to see something break below here, and once we break down below there, I can continue with this move down. Otherwise, what am I looking for? Longs, only thing that matters is the weekly pivot zone. So if you can't trade above the weekly pivot, no trade for me. Keep it easy. Rather go and watch IEC or SABC, the election results till Sunday. But we're not going to get into something cocky on a Friday. That's not the idea. EU on the daily, still bearish. Chris, why are you bearish on EU? Very simple, because we are still printing bearish order flows. So the expectation would still be that we continue with this unless we start trading above here on the daily. If we can start trading above there on the daily, then I can start looking long, but up until then, nothing for me. However, 200 EMA on the daily, weekly S1, are we going to get some type of pullback here? Thing is, things have been so messy on the charts this week. So 5-minute time frame, we at the daily pivot, we at that key level. However, quite an expansive Asia range. Nothing for me here yet. What I will say though is if we can start trading below here, I'm going to start looking short. Other than that, quite a big range. Going to stay out of it. Have the markets been opened? No, still 45 seconds. We are blitzing at a rate of knots. UJ daily, very, very tricky now, because we've got this range here and we've got this range here. So these are the two ranges that we've got. And neutral on the day for me, not yet bearish. Could go bearish, but I'm going to take a neutral stance, just purely due to the fact that we could go either way here. 4-hour time frame. What do we have on the 4-hour? Nila sent me this morning. Nila, I got your message. I don't know if I responded, but there's like 40 WhatsApps there. So Nila saying that is looking for a break above here. Nila, I don't think that's a bad idea. That is the weekly pivot. My only thing is, look how many times we've tapped into this weekly pivot zone and we couldn't get away from it. So yeah, I'll be very, very careful looking at the buys from here. Also purely due to the fact, if you look at this leg down, this leg here took out that low. So we are technically bearish on the 4-hour if I just look at order flow. But yeah, let's see. Interesting. I would say if we can get above 157, maybe, but otherwise it is looking tricky, Nila. But let's see if we can maybe do something like this. Then we can look long. So Chad, markets are open and in motion. Ding, 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 ding. Round 9, fight. Okay, there we go. GJ, I think we're going to see something similar on GJ. All right, daily time frame. What do we have? GJ confirmed resistance. That was that key level there. Confirmed resistance. I'm bearish on the day because we've had 2 consecutive bearish daily candle closures confirming a resistance. However, closing bearish up above or up against this little breakout zone. We could go for that daily wick fill. Could be a very simple short trade for the day here, Chad. So let's really start locking it in here. Very similar structure to what we have on UJ. And then 5-minute time frame. Let's quickly look here. 5-minute time frame. Why is this thing doing this? We've got the daily pivot down here. And we've got everything looking relatively bearish. So I'm going to say 199.50, Chad. Let's lock it in here. Let's see what we do here. Very simple. If we fail to hold above this daily pivot and we start breaking back below here, I'm going short 100%. Last one is EJ, daily time frame. Same as GJ, so bearish for me there. Exactly the same. Keys, I might need to quickly take a call here, but I'm almost done here. 4 hour, 2 hours left. Okay. Weekly pivot, daily pivot. Yeah, I'm gonna say daily pivot, Chad. Shorts below there, otherwise longs above Asia highs. Chad, I just need to take a call real quick. Just gonna throw over to Keegan and then we can get going. Keegs.
Alright, Chad. Yeah, it is on. Yo, guys, I don't know if Chris did answer you guys about the 2Gs thing. We are going to, for Project G, we're going to get to you guys very, very shortly. As I said, we were just getting everything done. Everything is sorted now, our logins that we can actually get in on the back end. So we will be getting to it. So Chris, myself, as I said, just for this first week, basically, you guys have to bear with us. We're going to be doing everything literally manually ourselves until the PSPs are active. So please, guys, again, don't think we can disappear with your money, things like that. We're right here. Literally, probably after stream, we'll be sending you guys everything out if it hasn't gone yet. And we'll then be adding you guys to the group. So today, you guys will be going on the group already. So just, yeah, bear with us about that, guys. But yeah, gonna be a good one. Honestly, I think I'll run through the other ones since we have a bit of time. Obviously, I don't know if you guys have noticed, Chris, the Prodigy links we're getting is via SMS or email. Stefan, it's gonna be SMS, brother. Not SMS, email. We were gonna use the numbers. We're gonna keep them to keep track of things if we can't get hold of you. Just a case of, it's just that back end information. So that's why we had that. Because obviously a lot of guys don't use, they don't really check their emails. So it's just a case of if they ever come back and be like, bro, you guys didn't like send me the invite, then I don't get it. Guys, it's not going to be a WhatsApp group. It is a private Discord group. So yeah, the reason we use Discord is because for all the future things that need to be on the back end embedded, Discord actually allows for all of that. So as I say, where we want to embed the trade alert system, Discord allows for that. When you want to embed having a terminal for you guys one day, the Discord allows for that. So Discord just allows the best things. So it will be a private Discord group.
All right, Chad. Yeah, Project G has officially gone live. We are busy getting all those emails out to everyone that has joined. And then also, I think by Saturday, you would have received your coupon code that will come directly from Vault Funder. And yeah, it is going to be an awesome journey. So many opportunities in America, Keegan. I don't know why we're still in South Africa when all the opportunities.
We want to go make the dollar.
Just incredible opportunities au pairing. Listen, yeah, quick one. US 30 yesterday, the US 30 strat. Yo, that Afrikaans just wants to break out of his strat. Sure. Chad, that Afrikaans in me just, I can't contain it. Just wants to strat out of me here. So no guys, listen. I don't know what they are doing here. Listen here guys, so for real now. Remember the 15-15 candle, there was the range. So yesterday what happened was we had that initial break to the upside and I had my buy limits in here. So as this candle pushed up, set my buy limits there. Remember 40-40, 1-to-1. Tapped us in here. Literally, that's why I say it was like 90% to target. Tapped us in, pushed up, went break even. Boom. Okay. Hit break even. Then it was okay. We broke down. Look at this. Breaking that low that took out the high. As we broke down below here, at sell limits here, again, came very close to our target, went break even. So this candle here, this 5 minute that popped up, that candle was first trading down here before it flipped bullish. So again, break even on that trade. And then I just called it. I said, listen here, 90% target on both of them. Break even. I'm not gonna tempt the gods here this morning, and also I don't want to skew the data. While me and Mo were sitting here, let me just show you guys. I don't know if I've got this terminal on, but Chad, there you can see can you see it? I don't know. The two break evens literally in a span of 30 minutes. But yeah. So I didn't want to skew the data for us because we obviously back testing the strategy, still tweaking it. The only real tweak that I've made to it, the only note so far that I've made is that once you get at least 80% to your target, go break even. So far, that's the only thing. The second thing is wait for the open. So you don't trade at the open, you wait for the open to happen. That's the other one. And then, then we're still developing from there. The next thing that I do want to test is I want to test the 1 to 2. So I'm actually going to open up 2 positions. Opening up 2 positions and letting the one run a 1 to 2 and the one going 1 to 1. So then I want to see how many times did we hit the 1 to 2, how many times did we hit the 1 to 1. If we only hit the 1 to 2 20% of the time, makes no sense. But if we hit it multiple times, then we can start developing around that strat. And think of that 15-minute range almost as the Asia range. So you're trading above it, you're trading below it. As simple as that. So yeah. But else, let me just get into the chat here. Why can't I see? Is the chat gone? Oh, here's the chat. Morning, guys. I haven't received anything. That's going out this morning, Rashay. That is going out this morning.
Yeah, Rashay, I think you just missed it. I literally just spoke about it like 5 minutes ago.
About the emails?
Yeah, just where the bit of a delay was in it. But it is going out soon.
Alrighty, chat. DXY, still nothing here. US3. Let me just get our gold. Let's just get gold on here. Okay. Keeks, long, short, gold?
I want to long it. Right now where it is, I want short. If I am going to look for a short, it would be a bit lower.
Daily flip zone. Chad, it's interesting. I almost want to say if we... Yeah, I want to start... Okay, Chad, I'm going to start locking in here on gold. I want to start locking in here on gold.
Incoming mail.
Yeah, 23.48 gigs, because this 200 EMA on the 5 minute is also usually dynamic support and resistance.
Yeah.
We talked about it yesterday. Yeah, you can see it, Chad, when I said we're gonna need to see a break and hold above. This here is a very clean setup. This setup I love, guys. This is the reversal setup. This was our ever at Comex, literally basically at the Comex Open. Look at this, beautiful, holding the 23.35. Then shortly after that, you've got the break of structure lower. I love this setup on a reversal. You got the break of structure lower, and then you get this immediate push to the upside where you take out this little structure level there. So on the Discord, under reversals, let's see if I can get it for you guys. I'll always refer back to this chat. Unfortunately, there's a lot of guys that cycle through streams, and I need to every time say it. But anyways, market structure B, this one, my favorite reversal setup, where it breaks the structure low and then immediately pushes back up. Beautiful setup there. I saw it happen, didn't take it, out of session for me. I don't trade the Comex. If I want to trade the Comex, I need to sample size it. But yeah, beautiful setup. We were hoping for something like that here yesterday. That candle there to break up. But anyways, that was a beautiful setup. And I don't know if I have a little bit of FOMO, but I wanted to look potentially short here if we get it. Only thing is though, this zone here, daily flip zone, 200 EMA. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. That Trump news could prop gold a little bit. What is your feeling on that, Keeks? Do you feel like it's a campaign to try and get Trump not to run? The reason I say that is because I went through the news and they said usually in New York, falsifying documents is like a misdemeanor. It's not a major thing. But now, obviously, concealing information, that they have made it, they call it the zombie case. Like it should have been shut, dead, put away, but now it's been brought back to life. So
yeah, I definitely think they are dragging it on. And like they say, this, for example, is just keeping it going the whole time. So it's getting interesting, but I think my thing is, I know it sounds bad, but Donald Trump isn't stupid. He's not that guy, which, for example, what he's been hit on, like, he wouldn't have been that easy to catch him, especially on 34 things. Like, maybe he slipped up on 1 or 2, but 34 times you're going to catch him? I just think it's there's something there, bro. I definitely don't think he's completely guilty, if I'm honest with you. So in the name of the law, I don't think he's completely guilty. There's semi, and I think that's the thing of they need to be able to prove, because again, legally, if they can prove that one thing was falsified, he's free, because then that throws all of what's the name out the window. So I think it's just getting interesting, if you're honest. Like, this is just kind of like the start of it.
interesting times ahead. Chad. Imagine Donald Trump winning the presidential election out of prison. I don't know, Chad.
That would be crazy,
Bro, it's then we're definitely in a simulation.
You know, that's a typical thing of America, where anything is possible.
Nah, Chad, listen here. If Donald Trump gets elected out of prison, I don't even know what to say. then we are 100% living in a simulation. Woke up late, Terry Chinoka, the one and only Terry Chinoka from Milwaukee. No, I'm kidding. Terry, you from the States, or where you from? Why do I feel like Terry Chinoka is from the States? Keeks, I'm just going to quickly mute you. I want to ask you something. All right, Chad. Sorry, man. I'm just asking Keegan how to buy cryptocurrency. So, Keeks, that is how you.
No, bro, that's how you can make millions, bro.
Yo, that was
millions
very
overnight. Life hack.
Yo, why was that so easy though? Flip. Can't be that. It can't
That's
be
the
that
thing, bro.
easy.
They hide it in plain sight.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn. Chad, do me a favor. Some of you sent the proof of payment straight from your bank. In that case, please just also email us because we need to respond to your email. Some of you using the no reply. So we need you to email us. Alrighty, Chad Adonia, baby. What are we doing here? Keeks Gold 2340. Is that what you said? 20.
23.40. Anything under 23.40, I'd be looking for sols.
Alrighty.
Otherwise, if the guys, because they're a bit of a back and forth now.
What's that?
I'm trying to think the guys that did the POP from the bank. Obviously, they sold their reference there, so I don't know if us. Otherwise, going to be a lot of back and forth. If then we must just have the business WhatsApp, just WhatsApp those guys then for their details.
Yeah, we can do that.
Just those few that did that, because otherwise it's going to be complete back and forth. It's just going to pile up here now.
Maybe we must just make a note, Geeks, on that thing to say.
If you want to do that, we do that.
Okay, Chad, here we go. Daily flip, gold, 200 EMA. What are we doing here? I'm looking potentially short. 36 seconds. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Gonna wait for a little bit of a top wick. I'm gonna be very aggressive with my stops here, Chad. And why am I saying that is because we've got two roadblocks here. We've got the 200 EMA, we've got the daily flip zone, and I don't want this thing to mess around. So I'm going to wait for a top wick to form, and then once we break this little low here, I just want to see a drive. So I'm going to have a very tiny stop loss, Chad. A very, very tiny stop loss on this trade because it's going to need to drive. Otherwise, it's a horrific trade. So there's the stop loss. There's the stop loss. There's that top wick. So I'm going with a sell stop, Chad. Just below this low here, Chad. So
sure, my boy being aggressive here today.
Yeah, sell stop just below there. And wherever this 5 minute candle highs, that's going to be my stop loss. So sell stop. So not in yet. If anyone is joining, sell stops here, and we are going for 23.40. So only about a 33 pip trade here. Let's see. Sell stops just below this 5 minute candle. Yeah. Okay. And if we flip. Here's the thing, if there's like 1.5 minutes left on this 5 minute candle and we have not yet flipped, I'm deleting the sell stop. So again, why am I so aggressive? Because look at all of the support on the 200. Look at the daily flip zone. And this daily flip zone, after creating a top wick on the daily, that is a top wick. If it's going to continue lower on the flip, it needs to drive. Otherwise, no bueno for me. So could be a beautiful little trade here. Still using my normal risk in terms of lot sizes, just basically minimizing the stop losses. So hope you guys are ready. I'm in GU longs, Chad. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Chad, I will let you know as soon as I'm activated on this trade. 2 minutes left for this 5-minute candle. Are we gonna break lower? 2 minutes. Okay. Remember what we said, 1.5 minutes if we have not flipped yet. Not gonna... Oh. Oh. Chad, okay, let's trade activated stop loss there. Let me just pull it. It's just gonna be just above this 5-minute here. Basically a 9.8 pip stop there. And here we go, Chad. There we go. Alright, Chad. Here we go. Sell stop has been activated. Let's see if we can drive here. 8 pip stop. Ooh. Ooh. Are we gonna survive the 8 pips?
Sure.
Are we gonna survive?
You only having an 8 pip stop.
No, but here's the thing. After that
spending some
flip,
time with Jevon.
no. Here's the thing. It's a daily flip zone. So after it broke that low, it should have drove. So that's why I'm not risking. Like if the volume was there, it's gonna drive.
Yeah, no, I get you.
That's why it's like it shouldn't flip and not drive here. All right, Chad. Here we go. No top wick on this 5. Ooh, Chad, listen here. Okay, I'm going to break even. No top wick. That 200. If it's going to drive, it's going to drive, Chad. Break even for me. If it's going to drive, here's that 200. It should drive. No top wick. Either break even or this thing drives. This is what we were talking about. Very aggressive. And still in very aggressive, so we're not gonna play, we're not giving it room to breathe.
You break even now.
Yeah, okay. So Chad, here's the thing with a trade like this. You're trading into a congestion zone. Look left with me. You're trading into that congestion zone. Second thing is you're trading at a daily flip zone. So this daily flip zone is already a massive zone. So this is where volume's going to come in or it's going to stall here. And we're not going to play with it. That's the thing here. This is not a trade that you play with and it's like, oh, I'm going to let it breathe. This, and you don't let this breathe. We don't let this breathe. Why? Because we've got another opportunity to short down here. So this is a very aggressive play to try and get the crux of the move. But anyways, so yeah, break even there for me. Now you had some experience with scalping. A day in the life of a scalper. Technically, we almost hit TP1. All right, there we go. 8 pip stop. Break even trade. Yeah, Chad, and if you want to let this thing breathe, you can let it breathe. I'm out of it. If you are still in by God's grace, also beautiful, you should be break even, because this zone here, this 200, you don't want to play with it. No top wick on the 5. Somebody's saying no top wick on the hourly. Ooh, okay. Okay, interesting. Who's still in it? I'm not still in. I know somebody was like, nah,
You
Chris. No, break. I took a break even.
Oh, did you go break even?
Yeah, I went break even. It nipped me.
Hey.
A little nip and tip.
Hey.
Now everyone's gonna be, Chris, we want to trade the 8 pip stop strat. That's the strat. Chad, yeah, I'm unfortunately break even hit for me. There you go. That little pullback there. A little breakerino. Anyways, it is what it is. What is the dollar doing? I'm still in. Hey, no. If this thing starts running for you, my brother, it is gonna be a bad day to be a TP, because TP's cheeks are going to get clapped. Oh, kicks. There we go. Chad, who's still in it? At least tell me somebody's still in it. Even though I'm not in it. If somebody, even if it's one person, and you still in. Jason. Jason. Beautiful, Chad. Look at this. Maybe a little bit quick. Maybe I should have put my stops at this flip. But again, maybe you learned something here today. A daily flip zone, a congested EMA level. When you trade into those levels, there's always the risk of a massive reversal back to the upside. But there's also that opportunity for a liquidity move. And I call it a liquidity move because a lot of retail traders see this as a buying level. And if the bears are going to step in, they are going to hurt the buyers here. And it's going to be a nice, aggressive, clean move. You're going to see consecutive 5-minute candles clean if that move's going to happen. So even for those guys that's looking for strats, if you want to trade something relatively high risk, high volume, previous daily highs, previous daily lows, you can trade around those levels. Previous weekly highs, previous weekly lows, session lows, session highs. These are all levels where you can get a nice volume pop. But anyways, we'll maybe I'll share that with the project G guys, how to trade those levels.
I'll be giving the secrets away now, bro.
Yeah.
Trading. I sent an email with my previous support, and the response is asking for my Discord username and email. I just want to confirm that if that's Project G or the normal Discord.
No, your username.
Yeah, your username, because obviously if you're
You're
in the
gonna
normal
get added.
Discord, remember it's in the 2G's Discord, but it's a private channel, so we have to physically add you into that channel. So yes, you can be part of the 2G's community on the Discord, but it's a private channel, so you guys the rest of you guys can't even see it, but it's there. We have to add you to it.
Okay, US30, Asia highs, daily pivot, DXY. Okay, DXY is starting to break now above. Gold, okay. GBP, USD. Shit, Chad, did we miss this thing? Fuck, Chad, we missed it. There's that level. Remember what I said? Breaks below here. Who took GU? Yeah, I was so busy with something else here.
To be fair, you guys were locked in for gold, and that's
Yeah. But I think there's still opportunity for gold.
yeah.
For
me, I didn't even hit my entry.
Yeah. No. That's why I said I'm aggressive here, because down here, this is the actual entry. 2340. This is where the volume is going to come in.
Yeah.
UJ. Okay, UJ breaking above now. Yeah, Chad. Let's see what UJ does. Nila, I think Nila. Okay, Nila, if this 4 hour closes like this, maybe we've got a setup there. GJ. Okay, GJ. Chad, only thing is yen pairs. I've not been trading them well, so I don't know why I would want to take them, even though the setup's there.
Bro, that's my thing. It's not a guys. This is honestly looking back at the journals and the trades. I haven't traded yet in what 2 weeks.
No longer.
No longer.
Way longer, yeah.
And
Way
I've been the most profitable I've been in 3 months, 4 months, and by far. So, guys,
But isn't it also that green tea you're drinking? You said since you've been drinking that green tea from Malaysia.
But you see, that's the thing. The green tea has opened my mind to these things.
Okay.
And now I'm like, wow.
Are the guys going to get a pack of that as well when joining Project G?
Yeah, maybe we hook the boys up. We hook them up there.
Who was in GU longs? Holy. If somebody was in... I said it, Chad. Please go back. Please go back to the analysis. If you joined late, we said bearish. AD is bearish. We're trading below the daily pivot. EMAs are bearish. I literally said breaks below here. I'm looking short. But yeah, if you... Chad, look at that. Flip me. Look at that. Beautiful. 8 pip stop. If we were marketers now, this is at this point we start shouting, we start taking video clips. TPs have been smacked. Let me just do this. Hackigs. Is this where we start shouting?
That's where you start signing, bro. You go at it.
We had an 8 pip stop. There was somewhere here on the flip. Who else is doing this? 1 to 2 are in minutes. Here's the link. Join now. Chad, who's still in gold? If you are, beautiful. We sent the signal. Owens are eating. Bad day to be at take profit level. I'm not in, unfortunately. Thinking back now, I haven't traded this way in many years. Thinking back, the real way to have done this was to just move my stops in behind this 5 minute, let it run, and then what you do is you just trail your stop behind every 5 minute candle as it closes, and then you're up until it reverses, and then you're out. Or you can literally just leave it. Now if you're still in, you can literally just leave it. I'm expecting this to be a nice clean move to the downside, and yeah, that is your Friday done. Feel free to call it a day then, but unfortunately us plebs, we still have to put in a shift here today.
Day is just getting started.
The day is just getting started, but for those gunners that were in this with me, still in. All right, beautiful. I'm in gold. Jeremy, beautiful. Yeah. So for the gunners, if you 2340, if you are very greedy, if you're a greedy person and you want to risk it, you can maybe go for 2335. Maybe going to take a little bit longer, monitor this level here. Maybe even add a little, if you're really greedy and we start rejecting here, you maybe add a position. And then your week is made. But yeah, for me personally, I lock it in there. And the thing though is, I think me and Keegan chatted about it, was that a lot of times I would enter a trade, it would run, I would take 30 or 40 pips like the one I took on Wednesday. And it's like, woulda, coulda, Why didn't I leave it? Why didn't I keep my take profit open? And it's no, that is not consistent. I need to do something that's consistently replicable. Replicable. Is that the
Yeah.
word, Keith? Replicable.
That it is.
Replicable. Damn. Replicable. So yeah, that is. Ooh, the XY getting its cheeks slapped here at the Asia eyes. Let's go. Let's not be too serious, Jakes. Yeah, Jakes, the mood yesterday. The guys were.
What was up with the mood yesterday?
No, the guys were serious, my bro. Oaks were going. The chat was going at one another.
Sure.
Why do you only go for 1-to-1s? Negative RR is not good. Trading the markets are not good.
Chad getting heated yesterday.
No, the chat was rough. Jakes was breaking people up. Sounds like you're casting a Harry Potter spell. Replicable. Replicable.
That's quite funny, actually.
DXY. Okay. Sorry, Keeks, your gold level is. Let me just see it. Sorry, because I was checking something else here when you did your analysis on gold. Oh, okay. So we are basically at your level. Chad, if this thing breaks and Keegan gives you a setup as well, I don't know, Chad. Then it's a double cheek clap here today. US 30. Let me just go to the chat a little bit. Tokyo inflation picks up, keeping BOJ on track for rate hike. Holy Ndobo. For reals. For the reals. Mobulani, Alex still holding beautiful. VIP is killing 2 minutes after. Yes. Signal has been sent. Deep. 1 to 2. W is in the chat. You guys know the drill. Popping Seattle's like it's nobody's business, just the way you like it. Eating with the VVIP, Keegan.
Oh, the VVVVIP.
Bad day to be a person not in the VVVIP. Jakes, why are you staring cuck, my bro? Asking who was in G longs. Okay, cool. Thank you, 2G's Trading. Bevan House in the house. Still in it. TJ Riffle. Beautiful, my brother. Didn't take it. Slushy. No, man. No, man, slush. That thing was like an 8-pip stop. That's not even like a Big Mac. Made $2. Thank you, Chris. Beautiful, my brother. $2 is $2. Never forget the value of $1. Nobody's gonna give you $2.
Chris, they're gonna give me $2, bro.
Keegan gave, bro. So Keegan, you know when I know Keegan is doing well with his trading. Almost every single day now this week, this man comes here with Seattle for me. Didn't even ask. He just walks in, says nothing, puts it there next to me, walks away, and I'm like, bro. That is such big move energy you're giving. He's like, hey bro, we've been eating this week. And I'm like, sheesh.
It's a life, bro.
But when that man comes in and it's like, we're drinking the coffee here from the office, you know, it's been a tough week. Chad, so here's the thing. If you see the boys of Seattle and you see them sipping these, but then you know it's been a good week. But if it's been a bad week, we're drinking coffee. Yeah. Devon Mees. Bro, I'm from Cape Town. Okay. Terry Chinoka, I would think you could be from the US. I don't know. Terry Chinoka just sounds irreparable.
Are we still on that word?
No. On what word was I? No, man. What word was I?
Replicable.
Replicable.
Yeah.
Replicable, irreparable. Say
that sounds like a Harry Potter spell.
Yeah, say that. No, Jakes, if we start drinking Rick coffee, we're going back to a 9 to 5. 100%. Like,
Oh, thank you. What coffee?
oh shit.
Jacobs.
Oh shit,
There
Jacobs.
we go,
Okay,
Jacobs.
thanks so much. Oh, thanks. Chad. Oh my. Chad.
Oh,
Ooh.
there's the alert.
Chad.
Oh.
Chad, who's still in that thing? KXD, Chad, let me know. Can I use this as a W for the Chad? Not for me. I'm not in it, but some of you are still in it. Are you guys happy if I do a little W's in the Chad?
The boys were fed, bro. I feel like that's fair.
Chad, do you think it's fair? We in, boys. Are you gold melting? Are you guys?
If there's people in the move, I think it's a
Yeah,
fair
so, okay, let's put it this way. If you took the... Okay, wait, let me do this. All right, guys, who took that gold trade that we shared here? 8 pip stop. And this thing is almost running 3-4R. Anybody in the chat that took that, give me a W now. 1, 2, 3. www.win, because that's what we do. Please go and visit win.coza. That is where we are at every single week. Even if we don't win, we learn. Beautiful. W's in the chat. Oh my goodness, the guys are just absolutely eating. Just mauling it here on a Friday. Keeks feeling good. Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. Maybe another entry here. Keegan's going to do something here. So maybe another little entry here. Could be a very good Friday. Okay, Chad. So you guys took that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Fed well today. Long out. My anxiety can't take a top wick on the hourly. Hey, Sean. Yeah, here's the thing, Chad. If you manage your risk on an 8 pip stop, even though I didn't go now and risk 50 lots on an 8 pip, but if you took that 8 pip stop, which it was, let's say if I had a funded account, I would have risked more. This is a 3% trade. This is quite a big trade. That is quite a decent trade, and again, beautiful. VVVIP. Why are you guys not in the VVVIP? We will be sharing more of these liquidity strats. Keys, are we calling it the liquidity strat?
Liquidity strat.
Strap that liquidity on your back and get the liquidity strat now from Project G.
Bro, that's going to be the promo for it. Get the liquidity strat before you become liquidity.
Yes.
There we go.
Don't get those cheeks clapped without the liquidity strat.
Clap before getting clapped.
The strat that claps. Chad, this is what I was expecting. This is what I was expecting. A beautiful, beautiful move. Just a beautiful, beautiful move. And I'm so glad that somebody, Mabulane, Chris, you're saving my ass. No, brother, you saved your own ass. You joined here. Don't. Here's the thing. There's 265 people here. Some of them are just sitting there watching. Some of them come here every day. They don't take a trade. They're going to say, I'm going to wait till I see a little bit more of what the guys do. And there's guys that have been here for the last 12 months. Every day showing up, learning, applying the skill, going back testing. And at the end of the day, that's going to pay off for you guys. I have, okay, Wick said, hey, good luck with that, with the long setup.
Doesn't look really long roll now.
I don't know. I've never seen Wick ZA here, but Wick ZA, good luck with that, my brother. We hope that it works out for you. Nothing wrong with you going long. Here's the thing. There's not a right or a wrong. It's all just about www. Jeremy, beautiful, my brother. Beautiful, beautiful. Chad, that's what it's about. Even though I caught a break even, some of you caught something, and that makes me happy. That makes me happy. Even if one guy caught a win, that is one life changed. Because here's the thing though, maybe it's somebody's first time joining here. This is maybe somebody that's wanted to give up on trading, and now they take a win like this, and it just boosts their confidence. It just gives them that little bit of a boost to say, flip,
I can do this.
yeah, I can do this. It's not all bad. Not everybody is trying to get me to buy their course. There are actually some guys that know a little bit about trading, that know a little bit about this stuff. So that's what it's about. It is making sure that every day we pitch up here and try and make a difference. UJ. Yeah, I might as well just take the NPs off at this stage. I might as well just take it off. Chad, yo, Nila. I don't know if Nila's in the chat. Yo, 40, 57. I'm long too. Okay. I don't think it's a bad level to long. That 2340 level, as I've mentioned, is quite a big level for me on gold. So 2340, this level here, that is the zone that I marked out. And I said if we hold this, the only concern though is you guys are going long with declining buy volume. So you can see here that there's no buyers in yet. So just be very careful. I'm not saying it can't work out. Just be aware that there's a lot of sell volume in the market. So follow your plan. Yes, Turtle Trader, follow your plan 100%. Seeing how many guys are long, that actually gives me a very good idea that we're gonna go short. And I'm not going against you guys. It's just I'm going with the stats. Stats tell me that if we've got 100 people in the room now, and I asked all 100 people without them actually looking at my analysis, what they are doing, 95% of them are going to be wrong. Chris and Kiggs, I'm trading VF 5K on 0.25 lots. What's your guys' opinion on that? Alex, I don't have an opinion. But join Project G and we will tell you what our opinion is on how to pass the funded accounts and the strat and the scalability. But yeah, you need to think of how do you want to approach your challenge. Do you want to be very aggressive? Do you want to I know somebody that risks 0.1% per trade on his challenges. Took him almost 7 months to get funded, but that is how he wanted to trade. 0.1%. He was happy with that. Me personally, 0.1, I'll lose my mind.
Yeah.
I'll lose my mind. 0.1. So it's all up to you, Alex. There's not a one size fits all. I also almost gave up on trading until coming here. My whole attitude towards the market changed for the better. Savage Society, that is beautiful, my brother. Thank you so much. Chad, Savage Society. That's what it's about, guys. Almost giving up and then just giving somebody that glimmer of hope. Like, shit, maybe I can do it. Chris Keegan, watch your show for the past 2 months. Learn a lot around liquidity and EMA. Chris, thanks for replying to IG DMs. My P&L has changed massively now. The family winning. Riar, Shot, my brother. It feels like I almost had to pay you to say that. Just let the chat know I didn't pay you because that is very heartfelt. Thanks, my brother. It's all about following the plan. G's another long added on GU stop loss. Okay, White Rabbit. Good luck with that, my brother. May the volume be in your favor. May this 1 to 700 hold long and strong for you. Gold. Okay, Chad. So for the guys that were in here, hopefully you took some profit. For the greedy brothers, get ready. And that's 90% of you.
That sounds like it would be like a band.
Not the greedy brothers.
Greedy brothers.
The greedy brothers. We are gonna start locking it in now. Yeah. We're going to wait for a break below. I would love some type of consolidation here. Just a little breather, consolidate, a break, and then we're going to execute next. Also the hourly closing now in the next 2 minutes. So just be very aware. Hourly closing. We've got that hourly wick fill as well. Kicks, just keep them.
No stress. Yeah, Chad, personally from my side, I'm not going to be looking to take the sell your own gold right now. Purely the thing is, obviously you guys know I'd trade on the 15. That's what I'm looking for mainly. So this is a bit of a run. The 5 is showing it to me, but yeah, we're looking at bigger pictures, so we trade on higher time frames. So it is a bit of a higher one. But yeah. So for me, no entry there, Chad. We can still have a look at the low of the day. So it doesn't mean there's no trade for me in the day yet. But I'll be basically watching for Asia lows. Hey Chris, you forgot my invite on Instagram. Out 90%. Mabalani, just to remember you, we get a lot of invites, DMs on a daily basis. So it is, I'm not saying we won't get back to you, but we try our best. So just don't take it personally if we don't get back to you. I even say to like our friends, guys, anyone that's in here that knows us, how many times I've had to say to my mates, like, guys, please, if you message me on IG, don't take it personally if I don't offend you. I've got family. If you message me on IG, don't take it personally. We are just so flooded with messages. It gets a bit hard to get back to everyone. I say we try our best, but that is just the case. So don't take it personally, brother. I'm trying to send my POP, but I keep getting this 550 high probability of spam. Any suggestions on what to do? Butter 19. I don't know. Everyone else has been able to do it perfectly fine, so I don't know why yours is doing that. Took their gold sell yesterday at 5 p.m. Still holding, not yet at 1-1. Taco, bro, how big is your sell, brother? Where did you enter and how big is your stop if you still not at a 1-1? You sound like you're getting flu. No, I'm not really flu, bro. So I've got very bad allergies and my nose. So for me, from rugby days, basically, I broke my nose. So the left side of my nose, my left or my right? My right side, yeah, my right side is collapsed. So I can't breathe out my right side naturally. So I only have my left nostril really until basically I really break it. So when I do get a flu, like now where my allergies act up and my nose is blocked, then yeah, obviously I get the little flu voice. But yeah, it's purely just my nose is blocked. So lots of USD news today too. So it's a good day not to be. Is there a lot of USD news today? I don't think there's a lot. No, it's only core PCE. That's it. That I wouldn't worry about. That I wouldn't worry about. That is average. So, and that is also average. Not really a major thing. Not really a lot of news events. There's like 2. Enter 23.44 stop loss. 20. How big is that? Hold on. 23.44. 23.44. Let's just make that solid. So there, stop loss is 23.52. Okay, yo. 80 pips stop there. I mean, to be fair, I remember it's a 60, so I mean it's an extra 20, but yeah. Man's holding on. I think you might get the 1-to-1, bro. One nostril must make cardio a whole lot harder. Yeah, savage, it does. It does, bro. Especially, honestly, you get used to it. I was good. I just breathe through my mouth a lot more. But obviously that's where my girlfriend complains, because obviously when I sleep with my mouth open, because I can't breathe through my nose. That's what you guys will see most of the time. It's almost like I hate it, but I've also got used to it for now until I have it done. Like you'll see, I always have to have like half my mouth open or something. Like I'll try to do something like that so I don't look like I'm just some like special person sitting here with my mouth like while I'm trying to breathe. So yeah, it's hard for me to sit here like a normal person with my mouth closed and breathe, because eventually, like especially now when my nose is blocked, it's literally like I'm trying to breathe like a straw type of thing. I really can't. Only major euro news, not USD core BCER. Generally not there are two mid to low dart events that let's hope so, bro. Need to move, break even, relax.
I need your advice. Okay, look at this fix. Okay, first look at the PC. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, look at this fix.
I just want to check that graphics card. I don't know what fucking graphics card that is. What's
Yeah,
he talking?
I'm also search it now.
I was gonna say, what fucking thing is that? Because I'm pretty sure that's not graphics card. That's another one. Asus chip. Liga 64. I'm pretty sure that's your motherfucker. I don't think that's the fucking graphics card. It's Liga.
Sorry, chat. I'm just stealing Keegan here quickly.
The reason I'm saying it is all the pieces, like for example, the GPU, you are gonna have to upgrade eventually if you're gonna want to start gaming stuff. You don't have to go crazy, and you can buy second-hand graphics cards to install later. But yeah, I think it's broken. That's I was gonna sell my PC. If I was gonna sell it, I was gonna do mine for like six and a half.
You still have it?
Yeah, but at the moment I'm not allowed to sell it because she wants to use it for her like office PC.
Oh,
That's
okay,
what I'm saying.
okay.
So if she ever decides not to, I can sell it. But yeah, for now I'm not. That's what I'm just saying. I think try 7. Just see what he says for 7. Yeah. Because 7, if you can get it, it's almost on par, but some parts better than the PC you were gonna buy. Obviously it's second hand, but my thing is, then if you can do 7, it's a good deal for what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Keith.
No problem, brother. All right, Chad. Sorry, man. I'm just helping the brother out there. If I'm going for surgery or break your nose again, Savage, the surgery, all they do is they do break it again. So because the break is up here, and the damage is here. So what they have to do is they're gonna have to break the top, like properly break it, and then they use a little thing which that goes up your nose, and then they basically rebuild the I don't want to call it the tunnel, the thing. They rebuild that. And then you'll be able to obviously breathe again. But because of the fact they are going to break it, so it just means I will be a bit swollen, a little bit blue under the eyes again. So again, I just need to find time to do it. I always said I wasn't doing it like while I was still playing rugby because I was most likely just going to break it again, but I mean, I'm not playing. So, yeah, just a case of find time to go get it done. Yeah, I do the surgery this one a week. Yeah, no, it's quick. But yeah, just need to get time to go do it. Let's hope so, bro. Need to move, break even, relax. Yeah, no, I can't imagine, bro. Potentially being some, but I'll tell you that's at the same time. Yeah, currently long gold 1 to 4 with 10 pips stop. A. The guy's liking the little tight stops there today. There's a little GU pump, Chad, going break even. Let's just see, Chad, what's happening on GU. Alright. I'm just gonna say, bro, just be careful of the EQ. That EQ is there, so if this thing, remember, has the retest of the EQ and holds its resistance, this thing's just gonna come right back down. So just be aware of that, bro. That's one thing I would watch out for. I don't know why, but the music stopped. But we chilling, yeah. Let's go back to gold. Remember, Chad, I didn't get in on this, so I'm not in on this trade yet. What is being sent to me? Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. What is there on the charts today, Chad? If we close gold above 23.43, I'm going to say BE and let it run. Yeah, I think the big thing is you want to see, obviously, retest that breakaway zone, but I think also, again, that 23.40 area, this is initially what we were looking for the break, and that is holding. So if you guys were in a New York session, we're talking about basically the 23.40 being the make or break for gold. Let's see, Chad. Um, yeah. All right. So there's the move, guys. So it looks like it's holding 2340 DXY. But you see, Chad, that's the thing, holding and this coming down. You've got Asia lows to be tested, as we still said. We are bearish on this. So this could be the buys. We get above here. This could be the buys. Getting interesting. Chad, I just want to put that music on. It's getting weird now. I feel like I'm just chilling here. It's 8% of my volume closed at 123 Chad. We'll leave that run and see where it got the close of the day. So you can check that GJ long. I said I'm in early since 199.311. That's why I didn't take that gold. GJ 199.311. Ah, beautiful, brother. So the support retest of that level. Yeah, retest there, bang. Beautiful trade, bro. Beautiful. Asia highs would be untested, so easy TP Asia highs. Beautiful trade, bro. If I was you, I'd even say you can hold it back to the highs again. The way the momentum's taking it, I'd even say, oh, you can hold back to the highs. Even this area over here, because you've got this influential support resistance, so you are going to see a bit of a bump when you get there. But beautiful trade, bro. Beautiful trade. No music still. Enjoy. It's today now, bro. 200 swing. Hey, man, it's a swinger, yeah. Nah, I'll back it, bro. Gold still close underneath there, so. Yo, guys, I love how people, just they want things but they can't read. I think GJ, awesome, bro. Any currency pair trade? Not at the moment, brother. Not at the moment. Yeah, the volume's just low, bro. It's just there in the background. What's indices doing? Ooh. Nas back there. US 30 holding nicely. But we're not trading, doing that now. Keys, what level are you in Xdivine and what's your go-to weapon? Bro, I must say, I've really been liking the tac sniper. The tac sniper, yo, I'm still need to learn all the names of these ones. That subby, the one that looks like the Vector from Modern Warfare. I've been enjoying that. And I must say, I've actually got a very good build for the M4. I was enjoying the AK more, but because of a slower rate, I did a build on the M4, and that's been working a lot better. The MP7, yeah, MP7's a beast, bro. I think I'm level 13 at the moment. 13, I think. I haven't played the last like 2-3 days now. Just because I've been like literally busy, bro, the whole time with the Project G stuff. So hopefully tonight I can start to have a bit of a jam session with the boys again. The M4A1 is quality, yeah. Well, I think if you do a nice build for it, like it's a good base gun, obviously like a typical start you off with, but once it's got a good build, I think it's going to be very good. But now, Jax, you must, where is it, bro? Send me your, I think we spoke about it in the Discord, but a lot of guys didn't mention, because you can actually literally have, what's it, 6 guys. So, where is it, Chad? Tonight, let's go into the gaming section on the Discord. Gaming, who's up for X Defiant? Alright, there you go, guys. So whoever does jam X Defiant in the gaming section, I'll put a little message there. Just reply to it with your names. I'll add you guys tonight, and then we can have a little 2G's jam sesh on X Defiant. Oh, bro, I'm gonna forget. So yeah, Jake, just say it there in the Discord in the gaming section. Then I'll add you later, brother. I want to take gold bars, but I haven't entered yet.
Why don't always in profit do you?
I don't know.
First time on the stream and won't be back. Failed 11 FTMO challenges this week. Been here 2 hours with 0 signals.
Well, that's a true thing. So how's the man always in profit?
Bro. Been here 2 hours, 0 signals, Keegs. But didn't we gold signal though? Didn't we say?
You know the best part, bro.
Was he not here for gold?
But also the best part is we haven't even been streaming for 2 hours yet.
Oh, Chad, I love it. Always in profit, brother. Maybe you need to go and see a prophet to pray for you.
Hey, bro, that man, he can happily do his thing. Like, this man wants to live for profits and
But
look
the
for
thing is, how do you fail 11 FTMO challenges in 1 week? That's 2 a day.
No, bro, but you know the best part, eh? You failing 11 FTMO challenges.
Shoo.
But yet we the problem.
No, but yes.
How did we?
But listen, yeah. So it's like you have an FTMO challenge for breakfast, like quickly run through it, and then you have a FTMO challenge for dinner. It's like, all right, I'm ravished. Let me just blow 2 FTMO accounts here real quick. Oh, Chad. It's gentlemen like always in profit that keep life interesting.
Bro, that's crazy. Always in profit if you ask the bro. Best advice I'm gonna give you for the rest of your life is leave trading, bro. Trading is not for you, my man.
Ooh,
Maybe you can
11.
go be a barber. Maybe you can be a barman. Maybe you can go be a taste tester. I don't know, but yeah, trading is not the thing for you, bro.
All right, chat. DXY. Sorry, man. I just had to do a call with the Vault Funder team. US 30 still holding on for its life here. Nasdaq still within the Asia range. The gold, I don't know these key levels. I always feel like, flip me. Should I not just trade them? Look at this. The first time yesterday hitting that key level. How do you trade it? I don't know. I must start looking into these key levels. Because for some reason they work. And that's maybe why they call it a key level, Keeks. Because levels are key.
My man's selling my secrets here now.
No, don't talk cock. These are my key levels. Where's your key level? Chad. This man, yeah.
We all know who the key level trader is, yeah. And who the
Chad,
pivot
come
trader
on,
is.
Come on. Come on. Key levels.
Going on. Bevan, he actually was on last night. Funny enough, so we were meant to have a session this whole week, and that boy's been streaming Rainbow Six. The one night he messages me and he's like, brother, we're jamming extra fine now, like come on join. That's the one night I worked late and I was like, I'm dead, I'm going to bed. And I'm like, really, bro, really?
The one night.
But I said we're gonna have a session tonight. I'll get Garen on for the boys. So whoever else jams with us, Garen will be there with us.
Has Nila entered the chat yet? Nila, 4 hour. Okay. Oh, there's 4 hours still open. Yeah, Chad, believe it or not, Nila sent me this morning. Let me find that WhatsApp, Nila.
Chris, do you have extra find?
No, I'm not homosexual.
Leave. Hey.
I'm kidding.
Leave Dota alone tonight. Bro, this man, you've been grinding, eh? I feel how you felt the other jobs when you're joking with me. Bro, chat, hold on. I get home, bro. I'm home. I go to the gym, do everything, come home, do the dishes, clean up, we do our stuff, we meal prep. Then I get into work mode, bro. I'm sorting things out, getting things done. Then literally it's like 11:30. I'm still like, you know what? I'm gonna cool off now. I'm gonna play a bit of games. So I climb on the PC. Obviously the first thing that opens up is Discord. Discord opens up. There's Chris playing Dota 2. And I'm just like, damn you, bro. Damn
No, but
you.
I've done my work already then. By that time.
Then the best part, I'm like, but you know what? It's my time. I'm going to play games. And then I turn around and Katie looks at me and she goes, you really going to play games now? You really going to play games now? So I'm like, I just want to chill for a bit. Okay. Okay. I'm just like, switch the PC off, go to bed.
No, so listen, what I do is, so my schedule, Chad, every single day, get home. Most days I go for my run, come back, have dinner, start prepping the kids for their bath time, get their stuff ready for school. My wife packs the lunches, I help with the lunch, the waters, whatever. Get Daniel's tea ready for bed, get Miana's water ready, take a shower, then Elspie lays with my daughter, I go lay with Daniel, put them to sleep, and then usually around about 9 o'clock everything is quiet, then quickly clean up the house, the mess, and then do some work, and then usually around about 10:30. 11:30, that's when I quickly jam a Totes my goats. Are you bullish on DXY? I am actually bullish. Yeah, I am bullish. Bullish to neutral, due to the fact that if you were in the session here this morning, when we started, I said we've basically confirmed a key resistance level there, and I said there's a very high chance that we are going to trade lower, but still in terms of technical structure, this is still technically bullish from these lows. And you can say, Chris, how the hell is this still bullish? We're still taking out highs. That's the thing. We're still taking out highs. We haven't really taken out any lows. So even though this could be secondary market structure, we are still creating higher highs and higher lows. So you can clearly see, if I just do something like this, you can see that the lows are higher and the highs are higher. So very, very simple. That's why I said from a technical perspective, still bullish. However, it's technically been ranging. If you think about it, we started the week off here, and we basically almost back to the weekly open. So started off the week there, made a low, made a high, took out the weekly S1, took out the weekly R1, back at the neutral point. So technically, you haven't gone anywhere. If you think about Newton's law, you didn't do any work because you woke up, you left the house, and you came back to the exact point of rest. So those of you that did a little bit of science, you would know what that refers to. Zero work has been done because there was no displacement. But yeah, that is is that his first law or his second? Now I'm a little bit confused, but I still remember it till this day. The science teacher telling us that if you wake up and you go back to the same bed, you have not done any work in terms of work. Displacement. I'm confused today because DXY is bullish for me and so is gold. Daniel, you can have times where correlations break down, my brother. Definitely times where correlations can break down. That's unless you are engaging in STC, then no, yeah, FUBs. You literally, so what my wife likes to do, Keegs, I don't know if your wife likes to do this.
Yeah.
They wait till you like in a game, like
Yes.
competitive game, and then they like, do you want to do the STC course? And you messed up either way, chap. Do you say no? It's like, oh, you want to play games. Do you say yes? You're most probably going to get an LP, a low priority game for those that know Dota. And you're going to lose MMR. So you're just in a bad spot at that stage.
Yeah, there's no winning.
There's nobody's a winner there. There's only losers in that one. There's only losers in that. Now up 50 pips on Nasdaq. Beautiful. Beautiful, Kalen. But yeah, unfortunately, they wait. They make sure that it's a very uncomfortable time for you. A lot of times, all I just do is I go mute and deaf. I just look at her and like, huh? Oh, okay. And then yeah, she goes to bed. We don't talk, and then we only talk the next evening. Can play Apex Legends. Rather quit, dude. Yeah, bro, go to the casino rather. Surely. Yes, bro, 11 challenges, always in profit. No, man, but I think always in profit, not like always on the streams. I've seen him here, bro.
I don't know.
Chad, I've seen, let's be honest here, always in profit. I don't know why he was so malicious. Maybe he bought some signals and thought, let me nuke out 11 challenges in 1 week. Do you think that 11th one is the one that broke the back kicks? Like 10 is a nice round number, 2 per day.
Yeah.
And then the 11th one was like, fuck, okay, maybe I need to stop.
Bro, I think when you go through 2 in a day, you should already be going like, maybe I should stop.
Sure.
But you know what? You know what my other question is?
Yeah.
If you bought 11, what's the chances is hedging them.
No, don't you want to talk about that? Yeah.
No, because I'm just saying he's doing that, and then it's like, oh, we're just gonna blow you up on everything.
You're the mandem. Let's not even go there. I swear the man must have been. Yeah, there's no way. Yeah, bro, I don't know. It's Friday. All right, DH, beautiful guys. What are we doing? Gold is back at that 200 EMA. Gigs, you haven't taken anything yet, eh?
No, not yet.
Okay. Majors are pulling back, Chad. Majors are pulling back. However, 80s are still bearish. Not going to go and buy into this, even though we held this key level here. Not going to buy into this. Not going to break my own rules just for the sake of trading. And DH, oh my goodness. Just absolutely a bad day to be a dono, because the dono cheeks are getting clapped here. DH, my boy Dylan Hansen. Dylan just planting those seeds. Dylan, may that seed be planted. May it grow. May it multiply. May it make more seeds. May those seeds fall in the ground, multiply again, and sevenfold over 7 times 7. May you be blessed, my brother, on this beautiful Friday. Chad, DH has been really planting some seeds here. So this man is obviously looking for some big moves in his life, planting those seeds. Beautiful DH, love it, my brother. Thank you so much for that dono. Big or small, Chad, you get a blow on the horn. Big or small, we're not torn. We're ready to blow that horn. Some of you need to stop watching corn.
Yeah, all right.
Some of you boys saying, flip, it just came onto my phone. No, bro. You need to find the Bible. Some of you just slipping there on Cornhub. It's a place for farmers where they sell corn. Some of you brothers need to get off Cornhub. It's destroying your brain. Then you wonder why you blow 11 FTMO accounts. Kicks, that man is most probably on the farmers market website.
Oh, he's definitely there, bro.
Which streaming software do you want to start a stream? Mera Ritvik. Then we can help you. Ruan VDM. Hi guys. With the pivots indicator, there's a type setting. Which one do you guys use? I use the standard, my brother. Let me open it up for you. Let me open it up for you real quick. Then you can see it. You can screenshot it. There you go. Traditional, auto, and then I just keep this on 10. Sometimes I put it on 3, but it's just how many pivots will show back historically. Yeah, there we go, my brother. Traditional. I used to sell porn mags on school hostel. Guys were my top customers. Sheesh, porn. Alrighty. DXY. Kicks, DXY crumbling now, my bro. Back to the weekly pivot for our...
Taking some shots.
Alright. Very interesting day, guys. Very interesting week. If US30 can get above this weekly S2 today, we're gonna see some bears getting clapped. That is if. And then gold Still holding this key level 23.40. Look at that. Grid to grid. Just take this off. GBP USD. What's happening in crypto market, Keys? All I heard this morning when I came to work was that the JSE was down 2% yesterday. Investors not loving that the ANC again. I don't know why they were expecting something else. I told you guys that it's going to at least take about 4 to 6 more elections. Okay. Bitcoin not doing anything. Let's quickly look at the JSE. Biggest winners today so far. Omnia, I had some holdings in them, but I sold out. My cheeks got clapped. And then I heard like Impala Plat getting absolutely wrecked yesterday. Gee. Okay, almost down 6%. Yeah. Impala Plat. I'm a proud holder of Impala Plat getting clapped. Then I also have this meme stock in my portfolio, Purple Group. Chad, yeah, the investment video is going live this Sunday. Mo's finishing it up. That investment video is going live. I'm going to do a follow-up on the technicals. That is the fundamental one first, and then we're going to go into the technical one. So be sure to watch out for that. Sunday. It is not premiering, but it's just going live on Sunday. Renogen. I'm also a proud holder of this bag. Where's Tungela? That's my other bag I'm holding. Oh. There we go. Okay, Tungela is fighting for its life, yeah. Keeks, let's maybe have this conversation that you wanted to have yesterday. Like about the stock. We were chatting about stocks.
Oh yeah.
And you were ask me that question again, yeah, because I think a lot of guys can find value.
Yeah, so basically I was saying to Chris, like if you want to get into long-term investment, like go into stocks and stuff like this, what is the best way to go about that? Like for example, CFDs, options, normal stocks, like what's the best way to approach that?
Okay. For me, firstly, it's going to be, are you going to do a lump sum or are you going to pay in monthly? Like let's say you've got 5K extra this month, so you throw that in, or how are you going to go about it? Or you want to do like first initial lump sum and monthly?
I think firstly like an initial lump sum and then monthly on top of that.
Okay. I'm gonna be very honest. Like I mentioned before, to get started, I would suggest ETFs. So a ETF is for me, and then also what you do is later on, once you start investing into some individual names, then you can start building that dividend portfolio. So I wouldn't trade CFDs because on CFDs you don't get a dividend. There's no dividend on CFDs because you don't own the underlying stock. And then secondly, options, I wouldn't go options because obviously they expire, and that options trade can expire worthless. So that is my... But we'll have a stock section under Project G as well, Chad.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take you through all of the stock trades as well. How to build your portfolio. Okay. All right, gold back at the daily open. So created a nice top wick, created a nice bottom wick. So letting the bears eat, letting the bulls eat, and parking. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. But we are still here. We are still ready and hungry as always. Anyone see the current leaders in the voting? No, I haven't. Where do I see that? Civil war when ANC lose power. Not really, bro. I don't think a civil war. There's a reason they're going to lose power. So it will be a majority vote. But it's not going to happen in the short term. ETFs will save your life. Yes. Individual stocks are high risk but also high reward. Lump sum and monthly. Beautiful. I took a big lump sum in 2017, pumped into it. They're selling pretty now. And as Chris said, I've added individual stocks along the way. Beautiful. Fubs. Chris, can you possibly explain which gold instrument you use on TradingView? I use Owanda. Owanda. Okay, Forex Insights. Chad, let's have a look here. Alrighty. Sheesh. Where's my economic... My economische vrijheidsvechters, Chad. Let's check what is happening here. ANC 42%, Chad. That is Chad, that is I don't think it's gonna end there though. But if it ends there, the ANC are really gonna shit their pants a little bit, if I'm honest. MK kicking out the EFF. Weirdly enough, me and my mom actually spoke about this. At some of the voting stations, the EFF were the only ones that didn't have gazebos up there. So I don't know what happened there. Because remember, they were the third party, opposing party to the DA and the ANC. They were the kingmakers. So for them to drop down to fourth and Zuma's party coming into the mix here. Sure. ACDP. Volt Funder Plus. No, I'm kidding. Hey, Volt Funder Plus. Patriotic Alliance. Gigs is like we said this morning. Here's the thing, Chad. What people don't realize is basically almost 18% of the people that are currently employed with the ANC will get chopped because those seats in parliament, those seats in provincial government will be taken up by somebody else. So there's people's jobs on the line here. And what's going to happen is that's going to cause fragmentation within the party because now I get fired, I'm disgruntled. Keegan is, so you're going to start seeing guys turning on one another. It's like that where you're in a room, you turn up the temperature, there's only one window. People are going to start fighting to get to the window seat. So, very, very interesting. Not really though. MK is not really surprising for me. Did you see someone voted for the EFF in Iran?
Oh, I saw that.
Bro, that is...
that man's brave.
Bro, that is vibes. How did they know that?
It's on the results.
I feel like that's me and Keegan. It's like, bro, let's do something for the vibes, yeah. What a ledge. Interesting times ahead, chat. So if the DA forms a coalition with the MK and the EFF, they technically have more power than the ANC. 20, yeah. Yo, boys, the ANC have some, they've got some chatting to do. The lads are going to have some emergency meetings in this coming week. The lads are going to have some emergency meetings this week. Alright, gold. Kiggs, when is the first event we're trading with the lads?
Next week, Friday,
And
NFP.
Sunday first call, eh?
Yeah, Sunday first call.
And where's the first midweek bootcamp call? I actually have an idea as well. I'm just gonna mute you quickly. Gold bullish on daily last night for our breakout. I'm neutral. I'm bearish to neutral on the day. But anything can happen, yeah. We're back at the daily flip zone. However, I can say if we start breaking now back above 23.45, might look at something there. You weren't muted. I know. That's the trick. That's the trick. We act like we're muted and then we know you're locked in. Garen Ools, Moera to all the G's. Chris, don't you think it's possible 13 Inco's new? Dorito, no. The thing is, remember MK is backed by, well, not backed. MK is Zuma, so
Yeah, he's already got a following. He's got
yeah, Zuma was. Zuma was already president for almost, so the lads want that. Nkandla, they want that. We want, it's entertainment. People want the vibes. It's Vibe Nation. So maybe we can get more of that. Otherwise, imagine how boring life would be an essay. When is load shedding resuming? Let me just go on the app. I don't know what is happening here. They are playing with us. Maybe they want to...
They're just waiting for the vote. Or
for everything to...
they're just teasing us, bro.
Chad, when do you think they're gonna clip us with the electricity? Jacob Zuma. Alright, Chad, gold. Here we go. Are we gonna go now? 23.45. US 30 getting a little bit of a liquidity injection there. Gold holding this key level, weirdly enough. Still within the Asia range. Basically slap bang in the middle of the range. So you wanted to do something here? Iets van volgende week, stage 9. Yes, Ruben. The thing is, after all that uncapped electricity we had, they're definitely gonna throttle us to a stage 9. Do you guys rate Monday? Sure. That's gonna be a headline. As voting just finished up on Sunday, ANC back in power, and as you would expect, Monday morning, traffic just in an absolute mess as Eskom decided stage 9 just for vibes. If you thought it was already bad enough that we're going to have another 5 years of the ANC in power, think again. We can ruin your day even further. Stage 9 load shedding. Fuck you, and I hope you get to work late, you son of a guns. Have a great day, and we will see you guys for this afternoon show. Drive with the G's. Oh. Nah, bro, this uncapped electricity. Yes, evening I noticed 94% of max. Oh, wait. Neil, but where do you see that? Where do you see the capacity? Okay, back to the daily flip zone. Oh, those emails, bro. What's that?
Carbonized.
South Africa. No, bro. South Africa's vibes. So it's vibes. Vibe Nation. Okay, GBP USD. So I feel like I'm in a spa, geeks. Just close your eyes. Chad, if you're feeling a little bit stressed, just close your eyes. Deep breath. Here we go. Just feel that tension leaving your body now. This is what these markets are doing to us. Just feel that light entering your body. Might as well start is it ASMR?
Yeah.
Alrighty, Chad. We are going. That was a quick one. When is Shaquille joining us? Shaquille is landing tomorrow, Chad. I had a chat with him yesterday. The man is landing. The man is landing. He's landing tomorrow. I'm picking him up on Sunday after church. Gonna take him around a little bit, just show him Port Elizabeth where everything is, and then we'll have a chat, see how. Look, the man is on his own mission. We didn't ask him to come down. The man just said he's coming to peace, so we haven't even chatted about how everything's gonna fit in. Does he want to still do his own thing? Is he going to join us on the streams? That is still all unknown. The man just said he wants to come to the land of milk and honey called GQ, Cubera. Turtle Trader, what's that guy that plays the... He plays that little thing that looks like a UFO. I've got him on Instagram.
I have no clue what you're on about.
Have you not seen the? Looks like a little UFO. It's like a pan. Set him up in warmer heights with Chelsea. Bro, did Caitlin make confessions again?
Yeah.
Is it about her?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh.
I'm just staying out of it. I'm choosing laugh.
I love how people are like, just Caitlin just owns up to it. Like, hey, whoever this is, that is me. But who posted this? I will fight you. Oh, Chad, come on, baby. It is. Wait. Sorry, I was trying to get the pan flute, the UFO flute guy. Come on, guys, you must know what that thing is. It looks like a little drum. It looks like, but it's the shape is round. It's like, looks like, imagine a UFO with dimples on it. And then you play the UFO. Come on, Chad. Help me out here. But there's a guy that Boss Bobby, come on. We're trying to figure out what the UFO dimple drum is. Wait, let me Google it.
You're gonna search the UFO dimple drum.
UFO dimple drum. Bro, there you go. I guess not that one. But it's something, a harpy drum. But I think the harpy is the more... it's not a steel pan drum. Let's see. Steel... I think the steel pan drum has got like steel pan drum. No, this is like a bubble. Yes. What is this? Okay, but it's a fully round one. It almost looks like this, but it's got fully rounded. It's not flat. It's not flat like this. Chad, help me out here, guys. It looks like this. The hand pan. Okay, let's see the hand pan drum. Hand pan drum. Yes, here we go. Okay. Okay. Hang drum. Okay. Listen to this, Chad. I think it's this dude, eh? Malte Martin. Is it this guy? No, it's this guy. Who's this guy? It's this dude. What's this dude's name? This guy is a machine. Oh, it is Malte Martin. Chad, I think we're gonna start doing this music.
What the hell is this?
This man, the UFO dimple drum, he's a machine on this thing, bro. Have you seen this, man?
I don't even know what this is, bro.
Bro, it's the UFO dimple drum. There's nobody that plays the UFO like this guy.
Unlock my secret album.
This is the 1111 hertz frequency, so we're all vibrating. Just to bring that volume into the market, Chad. I've seen that, yeah, bro. I've followed him. He's a machine on that thing, bro. Look at the volume coming in now.
Yeah, guys. By the way, there G's in the chat. Tell G we jamming extra fine tonight.
This is the frequency of profitability, guys. Proper risk management. This is how you vibrate. Jeez. Bad day to be a UFO because UFOs be getting dimples and getting played, bro.
I have to ask, where did you find this?
Bro, it found me on Instagram. This guy's an animal, dude. Oh yeah, it's what did inflation do? Okay, inflation coming out higher in the Eurozone. That's why I saw this little pop here. Inflation also a little bit hot. This weekly pivot on DXY. Chad, okay, I think the next little bit of volume for the last bit of the session is coming through now. CPI coming out of the Eurozone and also Italy. And then we've got Malta and Martin just rizzing us with the 1111 hertz. We're going in, Chad. Can you guys hear it though?
Yeah. The handpan music.
Bro, we just need wait, Chad. We just need one more thing. Wait, listen. I'm gonna build you guys something here.
It's very faint in the background.
Really? Is it faint for you guys?
Yeah. I think it's on the soundboard. It's low. That's why.
The skin's microbiome is an invisible ecosystem of
Chad, I'm building. Oh no. Come on. Okay, here we go. We've got the water in the background. Can you guys hear it now? Brother, water actually adds quite a bit to it though. Here comes the drop. Am I making Keith shy? No, man.
Right. I don't know what this is.
Do you think we're gonna get copyrighted for the?
Do you think, is he big enough if I get copyright for this? Does this like a legit song?
No, it's just it's 11,000. It's 1,111 hertz.
Yeah. I'm just like, bro, I don't know what that is.
Don't you like it?
I wouldn't say it's not that I don't like it. It's just like I'm trying to think of a place I would willingly put this on.
On stream while you're waiting for a trade.
You know, actually, hold on. You know where I would play this. This is what you play, like, but you won't be able to. You're gonna have to have like the girlfriend or someone or your mate. Like after you full send NFP next week,
Yeah.
and we get it wrong.
Then we
This
play
is where someone needs to come in and put this on. Be like, guys, just calm down. Like before we start flipping desks and breaking shit, this be like, calm down. Like calm down, guys.
This is the sound of the universe, fam. Sitting this for 8 hours and tell me about a workout for your mind, body, and soul.
Imagine chalking 11 FTMO accounts to this vibe.
Chris is going to come back with a Birkenstock and linen shirts, bro. 100%.
He's great, you guys.
100%. We're going in, baby. Somebody said, Chris, play. Somebody said I must play hang drum mix or something. Wait. Chris, I dare you to order a hang. Oh, dare me to order a hang drum. Damn.
How long is this?
It's an hour. We're 7 minutes in. Is that too much for you?
Damn, bro.
Wait, let's find a banger. I know he's got some bangers here.
Was that a banger?
No, I just chose I just chose the frequency. I don't know. This is the 888 frequency.
Chad, you have to understand where I'm coming from, man. Like I'm that guy. I'm caught in the middle. I've got Chris playing whatever this is, and on the other side, I've got Jevin playing his ghetto Cape Flats rapping, and I'm just trying to figure out what the hell is going on.
What is that 11 or that triple that quad 1 hertz? What does that mean?
You're just saying because you were saying it's 1,111 hertz.
Yeah, but he says triple 1 hertz says it all, but I don't know if there's like a meaning to the 4 ones. Is there like a meaning to?
You can't rage on this music while trading possible. Maybe you're up to something. Jev's music, you need to pray after listening to it. Yeah. I added birds chirping to that. What a trip.
Bro, where do I find Birkenstocks? Oh, it's 888 Wealth. Oh, right. We at the right place, Chad. Bro, I feel like if Kanye West got hold of these handpans,
100% he's making a song to it.
bro, you would do something. You will put handpans on the map.
Yeah.
Get Kanye West to make handpans great again.
Oh, do me a favor. Go just search. Maybe there's like a Kanye West handpan remix.
Let me check, bro. No way there's a Kanye West handpan. If there's a Kanye West, no, bro. I'm finished then. Then we're living. Okay, but somebody did a cover though. Let's see. Somebody did a cover of the handpan.
How do you do a cover of handpans? Oh, this is what's her name?
Runaway.
Yeah.
No, but remember, it's all just notes. So if you're playing the key of the song and the notes of the song, you can literally play. Okay.
That's not the same vibe though.
No. Let's
That's
go
not the
back
same
to Malta and Martin. Okay, Chad. Let's. I'm gonna find one more. I'm gonna find his most popular one, and let's listen to that one. Okay,
Can't
this
listen to rap while trading. I feel like a gangster. I'm on a revenge trade. Like a
Thomas
diss track.
Edison, the great inventor, was known for his
said
eye
Garen.
Yeah.
but
This
he
man
lacked
wants
an ability.
this man wants rage.
The steel pan, in my opinion, sounds better. Runaway is a banger though. No, that is a banger song. I just feel the pan fees don't do it justice.
Steel Pan, in my opinion, sounds better. James M. Could be.
So is this his most like best one?
9 million views.
Not what?
9 million views, my bro. Okay, where do I get Birkenstocks and linen shirts, my bro?
Chad, I'm missing. How the hell did you get 9 million views for this?
Bro, he's got almost 520,000 subs, my bro. Birkenstocks. Bro, don't tell me
I
there's
give up.
people paying 2,000 rands. Nah. Come on,
I got
Chad.
Anaconda on.
Do you have Birkenstocks? No, man. Keeks, why though?
Bro, I've got like everything.
But why? Clogs. What are we doing here, Chad? Just
Jeez,
a
there is more to life, man.
bro, Birkenstocks. Holy. Bro, I feel like I would need to get one of these bad boys, the clogs.
A funded account or Birkenstocks? It's a tough choice. Bro, my pads in the kitchen gonna get some love.
Oh. Bro, people are buying this. People are buying professional. Don't tell me there's a professional Birkenstock of it. Sheesh, Chad.
Professional, bro.
The professional.
What is the difference?
Let's keep it professional here, guys.
So I can wear those ones to like a business meeting.
Bro, I'm 100% getting the clogs. Jeez. You know I'm in business when I rock up with the clogs. 38 for a clog. My goodness. Bad day to be a bank account. I don't even know. Yo, okay.
And bro, I saw Keys wear a pair of those. They were used overseas, but SA is tagging along with the Birkenstocks, y'all.
Okay, let's see. Slip on. Okay, which one is the standard? Is the home shoes the standard one?
Or like normal Birkenstocks.
Yeah. Or do I just choose clogs? Oh, men's sandals, thong. Jeez. Oh, they've got an entire range here. Oh yeah, they are kicks.
Yeah,
Bro,
it's
please
that's
don't tell me you
originals.
paid 244.
No, I said I got one from Costco.
Oh,
I don't buy from flipping
Birkenstock.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we just need linen shirts.
I think I paid 400 or something for mine.
Chad, white linen shirts. Cotton on. Timo. Sure. Timo. Polo. But is it that real linen?
Keys, bro, why are you rocking those sandals though? Toes look cold that night. Bro, I can't even remember. Hold on. Where did I wear this?
Yo, bro, not in winter. It's time to put the Birkenstocks away for winter, Chad. Oh, no 3XLs there.
Where did I?
Chad, I'm gonna start rocking this this cotton on look. Alright, Gold, give us something here. Give us, we can't leave the chat with only one win. One win is not enough. Maybe I must try putting this type of music on for my wife because she rages quite a bit at home. Because I already feel refreshed and renewed. How are you guys feeling? Are you guys happy with the music? Are you guys happy with it? Do you want us to do something else? I'm quite happy with it.
Sure. I can't even find a photo of all those things.
I think I saw it as well. You had, I think that hippie one where you guys went to a hippie party. You were dressed like a hippie. It was actually fitting for the Birkenstocks. Maybe you just. Yes, it works. Okay, just let me know, Chad. Move to the mountains, Boss Bobby.
Oh, hold on. I think I know which one you guys are talking about.
Here we go. Here we go.
Did I wear them there?
O'Neill shot, man. So it's called load shedding notifier. Beautiful.
Ah, I did wear them.
Yeah.
I did wear them.
Is
there.
that a hippie one? Eh?
Yeah. That's where
I
I did wear
remember
them.
it. But I think you pulled it off, bro. I think you like pulling off that look. Has F&B phoned you? I think they're phoning me. Yeah, let me just see.
That's the Nike Air Jerusalems. But they weren't, bro. They weren't that bad, actually. Shows on Friday. Yeah, I know. It was a hippie party. That's why I was wearing that slash. Why is that F&B?
No, it was the internet. Chad, I'm still thinking we're gonna get a trade here. This music is making me wanting to just go to Burning Man next year. Keegs, are we going to Burning Man?
I don't want to break it to you, but I don't think this is what they play at Burning Man.
Really? Do you think it's more great? No, man, this is Burning Man.
This is not Burning Man.
Bro.
This is not Burning
Chad,
Man.
what do you guys rate?
This is not Burning
Keegs.
I think you've been very misinformed, yeah.
Do you think
This is not Burning Man.
Come on, Keegs, be honest with me.
I'm down for it, but I'm telling you, this is not what they play at Burning Man.
What do you rate? What feel does Burning Man give you? Like more aggressive rock?
It's gonna be your little bit of your rock, but it's gonna be your drum and bass, your trance.
Oh,
it's
you
not
think?
gonna be this.
Okay. So you think more that electro?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they Jakes. This is not Burning Man. Yeah, guys, please tell him. Burning Man, you need to go and tuck. Maybe when the shrooms hit, you maybe find a couple dwellers in their tents playing this. Yeah, that's maybe the only time you're going to. More of a rave vibe, drum and bass, yeah.
Bro, but how do you actually go to Burning Man? Like, how do you buy a ticket?
You buy a ticket like normal.
No, go on their website. You can't.
No, they won't have it out now. Although they get like released like before the time. Yeah. You cannot attend Africa Burns sober, some heavy drugs is needed when the music and all makes sense, yeah. You must create a bio. You must pre-register, yeah. Now Wacky Woods is cack. Yeah.
Bro, imagine you've got an M3 and you play this in sport mode. You can't. You'll immediately want to go to eco mode.
Yeah, you're playing this in sports.
Like, let me save the environment. Let me go and take this downpipe, this full titanium exhaust with no silencer. Let me take this back. Let me go take that stage 2 mapping with the flames off.
This is that moment where you're gonna re-question all your life decisions. Why did I do this? Why did I do that? Why did I speak to this person so badly?
Chad, yeah, so we're going to Africa Burning Man. We're going to take Keegan's car and my car. we're gonna make it Mad Max cars, and then add
Our
Africa.
cars won't make it there.
No, but we're gonna burn them once we're there. Like after the event, on the final day, we're just gonna burn the cars.
They're not even
and then
gonna.
we hitchhike back home in the spirit of Burning Man. Bevan, what a ledge. Um, okay, yours man is rizzing us. Okay, there's somebody here that was quite okay. So 888 is wealth. Quad 1 is like healing, and okay, then is the another frequency 777. 777. Sheesh, 777 is gigs. Here we go. 777 has been let loose in the Chad. Clayton, how do I determine my bias? Very, very simple. Go and join the Discord. In the education section, what you're going to see here is you're going to see all of these trading scenarios. So what I do is I check this on the daily, and then I determine what the daily looks like. So if the daily looks like a sell scenario, for instance here, like a market structure A, then I'm bearish. If the daily looks like a buy scenario, something like market structure B, then I'm bullish. So remember, price is fractal. So yeah, that is how I determine my daily bias, weekly bias, all based off that. 777 is the frequency for jackpot. So we're playing this for NFP next week. Keeks.
No, we're not.
Yo, this man just it's just this man's got chops on the thing, eh? Sheesh, here we go. This man has got some serious chops on the dimple drum. Sorry, Kiggs, you wanted to say NFP?
Think about NFP, bro. Could we train that with our community? And it's technically gonna be a Discord call. We can play whatever music we want there,
Oh yeah.
because there's no copyrights.
Do you think because we're gonna stream on Discord, do you rate we should boost the server?
What do you mean?
Because if you don't boost the server, you can only stream in 720p. But if your server is boosted, then you can get 1080p.
Yeah, then I think we should. I'm gonna boost it.
So 2 boosts is only $10 a month, and then you've got Discord Nitro as well. Stream mode enabled. I don't know what. Let's just check the perks here. 7 boost, level 2. Oh, so you need 7 boosts. Okay, so 7 boosts are going to cost you a little bit. $34 doll hairs for 7 boosts. Morning, guys. Damn, Little late start here. Who said morning? Happy Friday, Goodman Nini. Hope you're well. I think if Keegs had 2 bullets now, he'll shoot Crystal. I think Keegan needs to tap into that spirituality. I think you just need 2 boosts, and I checked you need 7 for the 1080p. Chris, please remind me the musician's name. It is called, the guy's called, give me 1 second. It's Malte Martin. It's this guy here. Let me just, oh damn. Wait, let me just bring him across. Can you see that? This guy here, Malte Martin. Sure, this man's got chops, my bro. I think the chat sometimes forget that I was a musician as well. I still have my axes there at home. Played bass, lead guitar, acoustic. Oh, there was a stage where I was playing like 3 hours a day. Keeks will appreciate your bro. Keeks will really appreciate it when he's in his studies. Chad, thing is, at what stage do we call it? At what stage do we say there is no volume? That is my question. DXY back at the daily open. Is it a question of the markets waiting the entire day to move? Or is that just the degenerate in me wanting a trade so badly that I'm trying to tell myself that there's going to be volume? At what stage do we call it? 10:30 in London, so it's still relatively early. What happened yesterday around about this time? 11:30. Oh, just pulling back. Our candles have closed. I wonder if Nila took this. Chad, yeah, listen here. I think I'm calling it a session, guys. Just US 30 still within this range. I do think we're going to get some volume a little bit later. Gold, very simple for me. I'm still looking short. And the big level, as mentioned, is this level here. And I feel like we are going to get that breakout today. So gold, yeah. Gold, I'm looking short below here. The longs here, 23.45. The 80 is still doing this. I'm not necessarily going to look long, even if it pushes long. DXY, very interesting that we are at the weekly pivot. So going into the rest of the session, rest of the day, we're looking at this level. 2Gs, guys, I will update you as soon as we go into session a little bit later. I won't be on stream. But for the guys that are in the Discord, I'll update you with what I'm looking at for the NYSE session. There's that zone on gold that I'm looking at. So yeah, that's that. GBP USD, nothing here that's clean for me. Euro as well. We've got a big zone here. Potential shorts at that zone. Potential shorts. So yeah. Do we wait? Oh no. This music putting me to sleep. Sheesh. All right. Yeah, and then GJ, as mentioned, waiting for this 200 level. So gonna wait and see what we do here a little bit later. Could get the longs. 80 starting to push bullish now. But Chad, that is the session. That is the session, unfortunately. I don't know why this camera makes me look like I'm sitting so low, but yeah, Chad, really want to say thank you for you guys for joining. Thank you so much for the guys supporting the Project G. We have already started planning the events we're going to hold across the country. Shaquille Samai joining us from Monday. So it's going to be interesting to see how Shaquille slots in here. And yeah, do want to say thank you to all of you. Trade safe, be safe, and we will see you guys 3 o'clock for the Wall Street sessions. But from me, Chad, peace and love, baby. I will see you guys on Monday, and take it easy. Hope you guys had an awesome week, and yeah, keep it at that 777, 888 quad 1 frequency. That is where we want to be frequencing at. But beautiful chat. Peace and love, baby. We will see you guys a little bit later. And